Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a Google Sheets file as for multiple users. So here, I've already opened these files that I want to share with my friends. So if you want to do the same, here you can just click on the share button at the top right corner, and here I've already shared it with one of the other user or one of my friends. If you want to do it again, you can just add the people in here. Just type in their email's name in here. So after this, you can just select on the email. You can choose to notify them or not and choose the role. After that, you can click on share. And after that, when you are finished, you can use this file for multiple user. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.